Well, got a few of the important upgrades. Got the, ouch, heavy duty hand guards. Got the adjustable, flexible brake and clutch. Got my phone charger put in. What else? Got the kickstand enhancer. Makes it much bigger, wider and longer for sitting on soft ground. Got my motorcycle rack. Got some metal caps so no one lets the air out of my tire again unless they have pliers. Oh, they didn't tighten this one up. Crap, I'll get that one later. But yeah, I really like these because it's like Mario Kart video game driving in General Santos. If I get clipped, and I have all my body armor, so I don't have to worry about it. I got my phone up there, cable ready for my navigation in my headset. Yeah, this thing is light and agile. Definitely gets around. And if there's an obstacle, just give it a little gas, pull the front end up a little bit and go over it. This is the perfect bike for driving around here. CRF 300. But I really like these. You can just turn the dial and adjust it to how you like it, in or out. Really nice. And got to do it all myself. Keep busy a little bit. Got another ride next week to Jensen. Yeah, I've got a few more parts coming. I've got the back disc brake guard. I've got a guard for the master cylinder for the back brakes. What else? Oh yeah, and this thing, they put the catalytic converter right there. It gets so hot you can't even stand to have your feet on the foot pace because your leg's there. So I'm getting the Yokohama exhaust. It has a small catalytic converter right in there, and I can wrap it with that, I forgot what they call it, that thermal wrap they have for exhaust systems. And that way it'll just be straight pipe here, and I'll use the silencer so it's not crazy loud. And the radiator guard, I've got that. But I'm really not into putting that in right there, right now. When I take all this back off again to put on the muffler system, I'll go ahead and put the radiator guard in. It comes around and connects to the frame in here. So if you get hit on the side, absolutely nothing in there gets damaged. There was some other stuff. Oh yeah, they have pads for here. At least for now, with the catalytic converter right there, this gets so hot you can't touch it. So hopefully all that stuff helps. Yeah, this thing does really good on long rides. That trip to General Santos about a week, 10 days ago, it took it like a champ all the way there and back. And it's so spongy. This bike, look at this. I don't know if you can see it. It's just like it's so soft and smooth going down the road. And it's such a light bike. I mean, I would never touch that suspension, or I'd never tighten up the monoshock. It's just perfect. Anyway, have to put another update out once I get all the other stuff on.